I'm on Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah guys, look at this. Look who we got here guys. Crazy link up tonight. We're about to push out guys and head out fishing with Jamaica Adventures guys. They came all the way to Montego Bay guys, and we're gonna do a little link up today. And if you look out at Montego right now, it's about to be nightfall. We going snapper hunting outside, we say. Here. So yo, it's Jamaica Adventures here guys.
Yes man,
and there's yeah man, more you go over to him channel guys and give him a big up on him channel and give him a like, share and subscribe to him thing. You hear peoples? Yeah, outside we say. And ready for the road. You see it guys?
Baits.
I catch some soldier crab tea night fishing here guys. Outside with Jamaica Adventures. Yeah man, want to see him guys. Oh, you get pinched before you figure you. You see that? Bass get pinched. So just careful when you go up. Looking at them corner creases, look on the side of the tree, you will see them. See, look there, one bunch of them you know? See there, step up yourself. Up yourself, up yourself. See? Alright, you know Kim there so peoples. That's a rat in a whole heap of them you know Kim? Look at one nest of them you know? Right there. Go on, just show them my bag of Kim. Yeah man, them pinch hard man. Drop them in there. Just drop them in there. Just take them off and put them in there. Hakim, hold it. Oi. Right, right there, so yeah man. See my climb, take him off. Right there, sir. Right there, yeah. Whole heap in there, no? Right, may I try to show you man then there. Then come down off our tree at daytime. You see one? Now go up and go around, yes. Look here, wanna go up. See this up? Wanna go up in front of you, right? That's how you see my light. Right, that's how you see the light. Look. Right where you see my hand. The light. Look. See the light? Yeah. Look round on the tree, side. Round on the side, yeah. Yeah, right there, yeah. One underneath your hand too.
One the bottom side, the one the same place.
Alright. Right there, so right there where your hand there. Right there where you like there, right? Where your left hand there. Underneath your left hand. Come to him now. Yeah, take him out. Right, that's under your hand. I hear me that tell you about. Oh, Kim's like, whoa!
Look at this.
Yeah, drop him in here.
The monster. Anything else?
You see anything else, guys?
See the right there, take him out. Yeah, see the right there.
Right there. Yeah.
Right there, see him. He's out on the boat.
Right there, yeah.
Right there.
You see him? Hey. Take your time. Right there, yep. Yep. Just cut that black waist. Take him out. I'm asleep now. I'm asleep now. Alright, just come on. Just take him out with your hand, man. You know I'm pinch you. Just grab your shell and take him out quick now, Kim, man. Alright, come here. Come. Alright. Alright, come we look on the other tree them behind you, brother. See all them other trees there, so now? You have a look and checking at them too. Just watch your step when coming down, Akeem, please. And I can't afford no accident in here. Here? Far to go up. No another spot up here, so enough of them probably there. Come look. And one of the pioneers, so you know, see. Look, man.
Check out the tree.
Come in. Just come in. I have some. I don't know so they much, so come. Come here. Hakeem, look here. Look on the size of the monster here. Go. Take him. Grab him, grab him. My camera on too, you know. Ratty, look on the size of him. Boy.
Back. I don't want my finger come off here. Go on,
Ratty. Yeah, good man. That damn crab climb tree so high.
One more?
Where?
Not one more.
Right there. A nest behind that board. You have to go up on the wall, look. You have to go up on the wall there, Hakeem. One whole nest behind the board, that's in a hollow, you know? Look.
Yeah.
Right there, so one concrete wall there, so man. One concrete wall this.
Come on, see him. Oh, some more on this.
Yo, brother. Yeah, man. How about that?
Who that?
Take up that one there. Take up that one there. Don't worry about that. Take up that now. See him there.
Not bad. Oh, that's it.
You see behind the board there, sir?
I see my own.
Look behind the board. One whole nest behind the board, Hakeem.
Yeah. Draw out that board there.
Look behind the board.
Dry it out.
So then gone in a hollow to ratchet. So one more there. So one more there. See him there, sir.
White man's.
Eh? Then they behind the hollow there, sir, you know?
Yeah.
Yep, see him there. Take him up.
You see more?
One more in there, yes, but come off. Come off of this. Allow that. They're biting on instead of allow it. You see up on the wall, look there. See him? See him here?
Yeah.
See him there? Take him out. Can't hold light and bag same time in the bag.
Yeah.
Look here. Look how much we have already.
Well,
Alright. You see it, brother?
yeah.
You see hunting bait now? I teach people this all the time. Hunting bait is very important. Especially this kind of bait because snapper love this shit.
Yeah.
Snapper love crabs. Take him out. Come now.
In charge.
You see me I try to show you?
One more.
Look there, blood clean. Look on the mump there. See him there. Go on the road. Let me get him.
Oh, you go by the key.
Just grab him by the back of the shell, man. I'll just drop him in quick. Yeah, guys. Hakeem get touched. Look well. Come in. This is so that you can't go nowhere but wall. You see me? I head to sea. See one there. Take him up. See more there. Look, there's the one there run. Come on. These are the little things that are important. A lot of people don't know that. Bait hunting. Look, so two more there. 1, 2. See one more that's our run. See me, so pick up the one that's up. So one that's our run too.
Where?
Right there. I heard one. You hear them walking up. Oh, I saw someplace in there.
Yeah, they're ready to let That's it. Put it on like otherwise leave that. Can you see?
Come. Look on there, we see them low climb on there, we saw it, so. Alright, come here, I don't see no more, we'll go back. Hit that. We're going on the road now, I'm not hitch up no more time than that, so. See him there? Yeah man, I hit me here earlier.
Una como tu lo pincha, ¿no?
Go on.
Oh, you just take what, the knife?
What that? No, sir, I'm not sure you look at technique. No, sir, you don't ring them out, just pull them out. Just take your time and take them out.
With the knife?
No, your hand.
Your hand?
Come on, dog skull. Animal skull. Oh, you a bone collector? Ouch. I didn't feel. Come. Let's get out of here, dog. Let's go fishing. Where?